It's a whole new balls game. Yes, it is. And this must be the Lawn Mower 4.0. I must say, this is a sexy beast right here. I was a massive fan of the 3.0, and essentially this brings back all the best features, then it takes it to the next level. So it still has skin-safe technology, which means it has these advanced ceramic blades that allow you to get a close trim. You can also easily replace the blade anytime for a fresh one. It's still waterproof, so you can use it in the shower. You still got that nifty LED light on there, so you can see exactly where you're trimming, you don't miss any hairs. But now it's got an all-new wireless charging system. As you can see, there's no port on here. You just drop it into the base and it starts charging. It also has a travel lock mode now, so if you click it 1, 2, 3 times, it enables travel lock. So if you throw it in the suitcase and the button gets clicked, it's not gonna turn on. All you have to do is click it 1, 2, 3 times to turn that off. And now you can use it as normal. You're also gonna get these 2 trimmer guards. Personally, I like to use the smaller one, the 3 to 6 millimeter, when I'm trimming down below, just for a little added security. Because it's waterproof, it makes it real easy to clean it off at the end. And now that I've used it, I can confirm this is a nice upgrade over the 3.0. It works perfectly. I'm definitely gonna be using this once a week, maybe twice a week. Take your balls game to the next level and get the Lawn Mower 4.0.